Euclid was a Greek mathematician and geometer, considered one of the great mathematicians and father of geometry. He was born in Alexandria in 300 BC, and date of death has been estimated at 270 BC. However, there is not much information about his life. Euclid was one among the famous mathematicians, and he was known as the father of geometry. His famous geometry contribution is referred to as the Euclidean geometry. Euclid is best known for his 13-book treatise, Theorems. This book does not exclusively discuss geometry, as is sometimes believed. It is traditionally divided into 3 topics: plane geometry, basic arithmetic, solid geometry, where Book 5 is on proportions, and 10 is on irrational lines. Euclid developed 5 postulates that he utilized to describe geometric and mathematical knowledge. These postulates are: the first postulate specifies that a straight line can be drawn between any 2 places by postulates 2 and 3, on drawing straight lines and circles, respectively, presume the uniqueness of the objects whose construction is posited. All right angles are equal, according to postulate 4. This may appear obvious, but it actually assumes that space is homogeneous, which means that a figure will be independent of its position in space. According to 5th, if a straight line falls on 2 straight lines and the interior angles on the same side are smaller than 2 right angles, the 2 straight lines will meet on the side with the angles less than 2 right angles if generated indefinitely. In geometry, Euclidean space is a 2- or 3-dimensional space, in which the axioms and postulates of Euclidean geometry apply. Euclidean space, sometimes called Cartesian space, or simply n space, is the space of all n tuples of real numbers, x1, x2, to xn. Such n tuples are sometimes called points, although other nomenclature may be used. The totality of n space is commonly denoted r of power n, although older literature uses the symbol e of power n.